I'd like to draw your attention to our pet of the week. Here we go. Introducing Zoey. Now take another look at those beautiful blue eyes. Aren't they gorgeous? Zoey is a 2-year-old husky mix with a zest for life and a heart of joy. She is the kind of dog who's ready to always go the extra mile, literally, whether she's exploring a new trail, sniffing every flower in the neighborhood, or splashing through puddles like they're her own personal playground. Zoey brings enthusiasm to every moment. Her velvety brindle coat and those unforgettable blue eyes. Zoey is a true head turner, but as stunning as she is, it's her personality that steals the show. She's a walking celebration of tail wags, bright smiles, and pure unfiltered joy. Zoey is an adventurer at heart, the kind of dog who's happiest, exploring trails, discovering new smells, and sharing life with people who appreciate a girl on the go. If you're looking for a companion who will match your energy, brighten your days, and love you with her whole heart, Zoey might be your perfect match. Those eyes. You can visit Zoey with her beautiful blue eyes at the Humane Society for Tacoma, Pierce County, located here in Tacoma at 2608 Center Street, Tuesday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Or go check out her profile online if you want some private browsing time at thehumanesociety.org/adoptable pet/Zoey. And Zoey, as much as I love looking at you, as we often say, I'd like to not see you again.